Silo3D software is a computer program that is used to design and model storage silos for a variety of materials, including grain, cement, coal, ash, and many others. Silo3D allows engineers to input specific parameters, such as the size of the silo, the material being stored, and the environmental conditions, to perform engineering calculations and analysis. Silo3D software performs engineering calculations to ensure that silos are structurally sound. The calculations take into account the material weight, internal pressures, wind, and seismic loads. Silo3D software can generate detailed analysis results for each component of the silo. This information can be used to identify any potential weaknesses in the design and make necessary modifications. Silo3D software can generate detailed engineering calculation reports in PDF format. These reports can be used to document the design process and to communicate the design to other stakeholders. Silo3D software can export 3D models of the silos in DWG, 3D PDF, WebGL, IGES, and STL. These models can be used to visualize the design and to check for clashes with other structures. DWG file can be opened in AutoCAD software. In the AutoCAD, the model can be used for further editing or creating 2D views using Flatshot command. WebGL file can be opened in web browser and shared with stakeholders. 3D PDF file can be opened in Adobe PDF Reader to visualize 3D model. In conclusion, Silo3D software is a powerful tool that can help to design and model silos. It can perform engineering calculations, provide analysis results, generate PDF reports, and export 3D models,